Hi guys, welcome back to the Lesson 2F reading in Unit 2 Adventure. Today we will learn about the Lesson 2F reading with the title Lost at Sea. We will read a survival story. Okay, let's go. First we have some new vocabularies, and now please see the picture and guess the vocabulary. Alright, the first picture. Here we can see climate change, forest fire, a tornado, and a volcano. And the general noun for this is disaster or disaster. Next one. Okay, we have the word rescue. Help someone or something out of a dangerous, harmful, or unpleasant situation. Alright, next. Okay. Nightmare. A very upsetting or frightening dream. Next. Yes, a life jacket. A piece of equipment, life jacket without sleeves, that is filled with air or light material and is designed to help you float if you fall into water. Alright, từ vựng đầu tiên khi mà chúng ta nhìn 4 cái bức hình, chúng ta sẽ thấy những cái thảm họa tự nhiên. Vậy chúng ta có cái từ disaster, nghĩa là thảm họa. Rescue là một động từ có nghĩa là giải cứu. Nightmare, ác mộng. Và life jacket, áo phao cứu sinh. Okay, next one. When you read, you have a reading strategy like this. Here, please. When you do a task with gap sentences, look carefully at the sentence before each gap and think about what is likely to happen next. Khi chúng ta làm dạng bài điền từ hoặc điền câu vào ô trống, chúng ta cần phải nhìn kỹ cái câu ở phía trước của ô trống đó và dự đoán xem điều gì sẽ xảy ra tiếp theo. Sau đó, look at the options and see which of the sentences matches your ideas. Nhìn các cái đáp án và xem câu nào phù hợp với ý tưởng của mình. Finally, check that the text reads smoothly with your chosen sentence in place. Cuối cùng thì chúng ta sẽ kiểm tra xem bài đọc có trôi chảy hay không với những câu mà chúng ta đã lựa chọn để điền vào ô trống. Okay, before we start the exercise 4, please open your book, your student's book at page 25.
Track 1.25.
In the exercise 4, you have to match sentences A to F with the gaps 1 to 5 in the text. There is one extra sentence. Chúng ta sẽ điền những cái câu từ A cho đến F vào các cái ô trống từ 1 đến 5 và sẽ có dư ra một câu. Hãy đọc những câu trước ô trống và dự đoán xem điều gì sẽ xảy ra tiếp theo. Lựa chọn câu đúng từ A cho đến F. Okay, you can pause the video here and spend time doing all this exercise, and then we will check the correct answer. Okay, guys, now we will check the answer. Number 1, we choose D. So they did, and a few minutes later, the boat disappeared under the waves. Number 2, the answer A. So Dan and Kate started to swim as fast as they could towards land. Number 3, the answer F. But they couldn't get out of the water here. Number 4, answer E. Out of the water at last, they lay down and rested. Number 5, answer C. He gave them water and food and stayed with them until the police arrived. Okay. Now we move to the next exercise. In the exercise 5, please read the text again and are the sentences true or false? You must write T or F after each sentence. Okay, pause the video and do this exercise. Alright, the first one. Dan was the first person to see that there was a problem with the boat. And the correct answer is false. Alright. The first person is not Dan, it is the captain. The captain realized water was coming into the cabin. Okay, next one. The boat sank before Dan and Kate could jump into the water. And the answer is false. They jumped into the water, and a few minutes later, the boat disappeared under the waves. And the answer is false. Okay, next, number 3. A helicopter saw Dan and Kate in the sea, but it couldn't rescue them. The answer is false. A helicopter appeared, but nobody saw Dan and Kate. Number 4. When Dan and Kate reached land, they couldn't get out of the water at first. And the correct answer is true. They couldn't get out of the water here. Number 5. There was nobody on the beach when Dan and Kate got out of the sea. And the answer is true. Okay, now we move to the box Learn This. We study about the extreme adjectives. Here we see 2 examples. The adjective delicious means very tasty, and disgusting means very unpleasant. So now, please. Fantastic means very, very good. Filthy means very dirty. Starving means very hungry. And tiny means very small. We have some adjectives means very big. For example, enormous, massive, gigantic, giant, and immense. Okay. Here we have an exercise about some extreme adjectives. Now, please pause the video and do this exercise. Okay. Very bad means awful. Very good means brilliant. Very big means huge. Very sad means tragic. Very frightening means terrifying. And very tired means exhausted. Okay, that is the end of the lessons today, and please remember the reading strategy for a gap sentence exercise. And just remember carefully all the extreme adjectives. Okay, thank you for listening and enjoy your lesson. Goodbye.